Welcome to our channel. If you want to deposit money to your Kraken account for cryptocurrency trading, follow these step-by-step instructions to fund your account securely. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account at kraken.com using your username and password. Complete the two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. Step 2. Complete identity verification if you haven't already. Kraken requires different verification levels depending on your deposit method and amount. Step 3. Click on Funding in the top navigation menu, then select Deposit to view available deposit options for your account. Step 4. Choose your deposit method from options like bank wire transfer, ACH transfer, or cryptocurrency deposit based on what's available in your region. Step 5. Select the currency you want to deposit, either fiat currency like USD, EUR, or GBP, or a specific cryptocurrency. Step 6. If depositing fiat via bank transfer, carefully note the provided bank details, including account number, reference code, and any special instructions. Step 7. Initiate the transfer from your bank using the exact reference code provided by Kraken. This code links your deposit to your account correctly. Step 8. Wait for the deposit to process. Wire transfers typically take 1 to 5 business days, while crypto deposits depend on blockchain confirmations. Monitor your Kraken account for confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.